Let's solve this together. So the question says, find the surface area of a cuboid with length 10 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter, and height for centimeter. So now let's solve. So um, to find the surface area of a cuboid, first of all, let us write the formula for calculating that. So we say surface area. Now surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into bracket length times breadth plus breadth times height plus length times height. So this is the formula. So now let's impute the values now. Here we have 2 into bracket. Now let's make this a square bracket so that we'll be able to put this parentheses inside. So now we have length times breadth is what? What is our length? Our length is 10 centimeter multiplied by breadth, which is 5 centimeter. Right? Then plus our breadth is what? 5 centimeter multiplied by our height, which is 4 centimeter. Then plus our length, which is what? 10 centimeter multiplied by our height, which is 4 centimeter. Then let's close our square bracket. So we'll have 2 into bracket. 10 times 5 is what? 10 times 5 is 50 plus 5 times 4 is 20 plus 10 times 4 is 40. So now let's remove our square bracket now. We'll have 2 multiplied by 50 plus 20 plus 40. 50 plus 20 is 70. 70 plus 40 is 110. So you say multiply by 110. We'll have 2 times 110 is what? We'll have 0, 2, 2. So our answer is 220 centimeter cube. Remember, you're dealing with area. Since you're dealing with area, we have centimeter square rather, and not centimeter cube. So this is our final answer. So I believe this helped. If it did help you, kindly like, support, and share to others. Bye!